This is a 2-scoop order for Kelly, and her favorite character is Pochacco. She loves blue and green, and she doesn't want any bracelets. Two file folders. Plus one more. Two notebooks. Plus one more. Three pens. Let's add these two blind box pens. One mechanical pencil. Let's add this blind box pencil. One highlighter. Plus one more. Two erasers. Let's add this blind bag eraser. One tape. This is a blind box correction tape. One washi tape. Let's add one more. I think she likes to journal. One mini notebook. I love this new one from Korea. It is so cute. Plus two more. Three clear pouches. One memo pad. This one comes with an acrylic clip. And let's add two more. One sticky note. This makes 3 total extras. Two scenery stickers. Plus one more. One plush pencil bag. Let's add this one. I love the texture on this new blue one. One plush keychain. Two pencil cases. One mouse pad. One hand towel. 1 eye mask, 1 wallet, 1 headband. My Pochacco headbands haven't arrived yet, so I decided to swap it out for this eye mask. 1 beaded charm. One coin purse. Two card holders. One pin badge. Let's add 1 more. 1 tub of squishy. Let's add this flower. 2 bricks. One Uno cards. Two mini charms. Let's make it 3. 1 acrylic clip. But you know I'll make it 4. Okay, Kelly, that's everything for your order. I really hope you love everything I chose. Thank you so much.